Hello guys, welcome back, and if this is your first time here, my name is Noemi. Today in this video I am going to continue to do my fall cleaning routine with all natural non-toxic homemade cleaners that is way better for your health and for your budget as well. If you wanna help my channel after you watch this video, please share it with friends or relatives or on another platform.
The dam is breaking in. It was bound to happen, 'cause your heart is caving in.
Okay, so these boxes, you know, when you organize your home, it's kind of like it has a domino effect. You're just trying to organize one drawer and you move things around and you're ending up with all over the place. So this whole situation started when we made the loft in the kids' room and the closet. So I've got this two dresser in here. As my boys are getting older, we need more pantry food, so I've been looking for some place in this home where can I organize, and I find a way. I figured it out where I'm going to store it. Right before everything is falling into its place and I find the perfect spot for everything that is very functional and logical, there's always a huge mess before that and just everything is upside down. So that's the process, and that's okay, because that's how we can find a place where we could use the items the best. So for now, I am going to put all those things like Christmas ornaments, pictures, and all the things that is important to us, and that was actually this fire evacuation that teached me. I'm going to keep it in that closet, and all the rest boxes I am going to set aside in the office, which I will organize later on. But I separated my work from my home stuff, so that way it's gonna be easier for me to manage my things. I am going to continue the fall cleaning routine, so I'm in the next section in my kitchen and I'm going to organize this drawer. I'm getting a lot of questions about my liner, and this is from IKEA. It's very affordable, very durable. Keep these little bags nearby where my supplements are, because when we leave from home, this is what I use to pack them. But I figured it will make more sense if I keep it together with all the rest of the bags that I use when we go somewhere and I have to pack lightly. This is the binder where I like to keep the favorite recipes, or maybe the ones that I haven't even tried yet, like this one. And I'm out of those little slivers, so I'm just going to make a hole on it and just put it in there, so make sure I have it. And I like to keep it in the top drawer so it's easy to reach. I don't even have to remove it when I use it. don't have problem decluttering clothes or other items from my home. Those are more obvious to me, like what I want to keep. But with supplements and food, that's a different story because I need to replace them constantly, and I'm just keep trying to find better and better vitamins and food and recipes to just preserve our health and just take care of ourselves as much as possible. This is something that is very important to me, so obviously I'm trying to fit into my limits, but I'm definitely pushing the space with that, and that's the area where I have to pay attention to my actions. When I'm trying to buy a new one, make sure I use up what I already have. As I started to clean the drawer where we keep our Vitamix, I just realized that last time when I was cleaning the corner cabinet with the Lazy Susan, I forgot to clean my appliances. So this is something is on my list as well, because obviously I wipe off any fresh dirt that is big, but still you get some stuff on it that you don't really see and it needs a deeper cleaning. So I like to use this magic eraser, and then I wipe off all the leftover with some cloth, and then I use a dry kitchen towel, and I like to use the IKEA one because it's very thin, so it kind of serves me and works for me as a paper towel, but I can just keep rewashing them and keep reusing them, so it saves so much money for me as well as is better for the environment. These drawers don't get too dirty. It's not bad because this is the area where we just basically just make the smoothie and we grab the plates and washing the dishes. So it's not like the ones where I keep the jars with the food. So this is going really fast. So my system, how I organize this kitchen, is basically how we use it, and I just made zones, and the way we use the countertop, that's how I pack the things in there. So The meaning of that on this side is that all the dishes that I wash goes onto the right side, so once it's dry, I don't have to step away anywhere, I can put away everything. I don't have any baby powder at home, so I'm going to use just a cornstarch, but I'm going to put this into my rubber gloves, so that way it will extend the lifetime of the rubber glove and it's not going to stick to my hands. Oven is definitely the last thing on my list that I like to do. But today I am going to try something that hopefully it will help my work. So I have shown you this before, but I used the olive oil, so this time I'm going to try it with the avocado oil just because it's a cheaper version, so that's why we were asking about. So now I'm going to try if it works the same way as the olive oil. Basically the same amount of olive oil and the same amount of baking soda, that's all the recipe. I used to avoid to use baking soda to clean the oven, and the reason for that because I knew it's gonna be so painfully difficult to clean out that powder even if it's diluted with water. But with the oil it's kind of like more like a sticky texture, so it's much easier to clean it out. To use a toothbrush for the hard to reach areas, and also I can put a cloth over the toothbrush to get into those tiny places. I am actually very impressed with the result. As you can tell, there's no dirt left there, it's squeaky clean. Yeah, it happens. And that's the reason I don't like to use essential oil in my glass cleaner. So I switched it up and I used the one that I had essential oil in it, and I immediately saw the difference. You cannot achieve this nice squeaky clean on the glass surface if you have essential oil in there. And it was very close to the lunchtime, and my husband was able to stop for lunch, and he was making something quickly on the barbecue, so that way I was able to finish cleaning the oven. Usually I just like to use the lemon oil with the baking soda to clean the sink, but it's fall time, so I added some cinnamon to it and some orange oil, and it definitely puts me into that fall mood. I cubes are the best to clean the garbage disposal, but even better if you have some vinegar in there and some chopped up lemon, because that takes away the smell as well. We are after lunch at this time, so I can start to wrap up the things in the kitchen. Usually I'm getting the questions like how long does it take for me to do this cleaning, and I can never correctly answer because there are so many other things that is happening between I push the record button. But I'm trying to gather the things that I'm trying to achieve during the day. But just to know, you're not alone. I cannot get things done all at once because there are other things that they need my attention. Let's celebrate the clean kitchen. I don't know how about you guys, but I'm always encouraged to make more cooking if my kitchen is clean, because I just have more space, there's less stress on my mind, there's less pressure to fix other things. It's just all about creativity and just making something yummy that we enjoy. And from now on, I just have to wait until all this nice yummy things going to be baked and the whole house will smell like fall.
I'm sensing a smile.
I have many more inspiration and fall related videos are coming up, and if you enjoy this content, don't forget to subscribe, or even better, if you want to help my channel, please share it with your friends, relatives, or just share it on other platforms. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys soon. Bye!